Everyone knows you can make money in crypto. I'm sure many have heard about arbitrage and its spread. Many people asked where I disappeared to. Finally, this morning, I returned home from my parents' place, feeling rested and inspired with new content for you. Before we start the video, I'll ask you to subscribe, leave a comment, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's begin by going to Binance. Choose spot trading and search for Solana USDT and buy some coins. Next, we need to visit an exchange. The link is provided in the description. We need register there. Once done, select spot trading and check Solana's quotes. We want the price on this exchange to be higher than on Binance. If it is, follow these steps. Go to the exchange wallet and click deposit. Choose Solana and select the Solana network, copy the address. Return to Binance, go to withdrawal, select Solana, paste the exchange address, choose the Solana network and proceed. Wait 5 to 10 minutes, you will see the funds in your wallet. Now let's exchange these coins for USDT. Click swap, choose Solana, and at the bottom, select USDT. Complete the exchange. We now have USDT that we want to transfer back to Binance. Click withdraw, select T or C20 network, copy your Binance USDT wallet address. Enter it on the other exchange, and initiate the withdrawal. After 10 minutes, you will notice the funds in your balance. Using this strategy, I managed to earn approximately a 10 profit equivalent to 500 evergreens dollar.